In this video, I'm going to show you how to change size of video in Premiere Pro. Now, this is actually an easy way to shrink or enlarge video. And there are a couple of ways that we can do this, but I'm going to show you the basic one. So the most common one usually is just by heading over or clicking the video itself, heading over to the effect controls. If you're not seeing this one, you can head over to window, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure that you have turned on the effect controls here. Now, once you are in the effect controls, I want you to hit the motion, and then you're going to go ahead and basically just scale this up. So when you are going to click the motion, you should be able to see these dots here. So you can actually go ahead and start resizing. Go ahead and just drag that one just like so. And then if you want to move that, you can just go ahead and drag this as well. So yeah, that's the easy one. Now I'm just gonna go back and show you another way. So for more accuracy, you can head over here to the position and scale. So for this part right here, this is going to move left or right. There you go. This is going to be for up and down. Now this one, the scale down below, is going to be for enlarging. So you can resize this one, make it bigger, or shrink this one just like so. So yeah, the same thing. You can go ahead and increase the size and then go ahead to the part where you want to zoom in. So yep, that is the easy way to get this done. Now, if this video is helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how it helped you, and I'd love to hear from you.